Life is full of adventures. Sometimes you just need to get out there. Just anywhere, away from the stress. You need to explore, to breathe, to live. The conditions you will face on your adventures are unknown, but you know where you're going. To freedom. You're used to changing your shoes and jacket to match the location or the weather. Why shouldn't you be able to do the same with your bike? The answer is, you can. reTyre is the only tire that allows you to change the tire surface to match any condition you face. Whether it's snow or ice, the bike trail, downhill, off-road, or pure asphalt, with reTyre, you're always ready for what comes next. reTyre is essentially a tire with zippers and different skins that can be mounted on that tire. The tire and the skins have been designed to match perfectly, and the tight fit ensures that the skins act and feel like a normal tire. This way, you always have the grip you need when you need it. Just like a jacket, you put the zippers together and pull the slider around the tire to tighten the skin. It can be annoying to change a regular tire. With reTyre, you're all set in less than a minute. The skins are easy to fold and fit perfectly into a backpack. The tire is lightweight and designed to minimize rolling resistance in order to optimize your riding experience on asphalt and concrete. reTyre has been tested around the world and performs anytime, every time. From snowy Norwegian roads to downhill trails in the Swiss Alps, or even rolling mile after mile on an American highway. reTyre is the perfect way to make your bike a multi-purpose, year-round vehicle. Whether you have a hybrid, terrain, mountain, electric, or any other bike, choose reTyre and enjoy your freedom. Because easier is better.
Riding a bike is so freeing, with the wind in your face, the sweet smells of nature, and the sun on your back. But unfortunately, our living space is getting tighter and tighter. So as a result, storing a bike can be a real bummer. We often find ourselves forcing our bikes into smaller and smaller spaces. Wow. Trying to make it look not so, well, out of place. space is limited. Introducing Billibars, the interchangeable handlebar system that will help your limited space woes. Thank you, Janice. With Billibars, you can fit your bike in places you once thought impossible. Like here. Or here. Here. Or even here. The sky's the limit. The Billibars system is easy to assemble, durable, and fully customizable, my friends. The base easily connects to the frame of your bike. Yep, the bike you currently own. From there, you have the choice of 4 interchangeable handlebars. All you have to do is whoosh, bam, ha ha. Feast your eyes on those babies. Not only are they easy, but they're durable as well. Billibars uses state-of-the-art, patented sure-fit technology, making slippage impossible. Billibars can be tailored to your style. With 4 unique handlebars and a variety of colors to choose from, you're sure to find a match. It's like Tinder for bikes. It's important to note that Billibars is designed for commuter bikes, but not all bikes. Sorry, competitive race bikes, mountain bikes, and circus bikes. However, we do have plans for those bikes in the future, so stay tuned. Except for you, circus bike. Never! With so many options, you can enjoy a more comfortable ride here, or here, or here. All with a simple swish. Woohoo! Finally, biking nirvana. But why stop there? We added a unique low-profile bike stand to our Billibars system. It has a strength rating for up to 150 pounds. That's no joke! Now storing your bike can be as simple as a yip, zing, pop. Billibars is a space saver. Easy to use, durable, and allows you to customize your bike to fully fit your lifestyle. Billibars, built by bikers, for bikers.
One of my favorite things to do is to get out and ride my bike. But the combination of rough roads and stiff bike frames means riding can be really tough on your body. In 2016, we launched the Shockstop suspension stem to add cushioning to the front end of the bike. The stem changed the way people thought about suspension, but the front of the bike is only half the equation. That's why we're so excited to introduce the Shockstop seat post, a revolutionary short travel suspension seat post that will completely change your riding experience, no matter what kind of bike you ride.
Maybe you're out for an epic gravel adventure or just dealing with potholes on your daily commute. You're gonna find rough roads wherever you ride. Modern bikes are designed for speed and efficiency, not for comfort. This means bumps and impacts pass straight into your body, which leads to fatigue, pain, or even injury. We designed the Shockstop seat post to suspend your body and isolate you from the shocks and vibrations of the road. We optimized the travel and suspension kinematics to provide a super plush, bottomless suspension feel. We designed the seat post to integrate seamlessly with the styling of modern bikes. You can change the spring rate and preload to match your specific riding style. And it's compatible with all types of riding: gravel, e-bike, commuter, road, and mountain.
Studies show fatigue reduces riding efficiency by up to 20%. Typically, adding comfort to your bike meant sacrificing performance. The Shockstop seat post lets you ride faster and more efficiently because instead of bracing yourself against impacts, you can stay seated and keep pedaling over rough surfaces. It reduces the accumulated effects of bumps and vibrations, allowing you to ride further, faster, and more comfortably. The Shockstop seat post is the rare product that increases comfort and performance.
We designed the seat post to integrate seamlessly with the styling of modern bikes. You can change the spring rate and preload to match your specific riding style. And it's compatible with all types of riding: gravel, e-bike, commuter, road, and mountain.
Studies show fatigue reduces riding efficiency by up to 20%. Typically, adding comfort to your bike meant sacrificing performance. The Shockstop seat post lets you ride faster and more efficiently because instead of bracing yourself against impacts, you can stay seated and keep pedaling over rough surfaces. It reduces the accumulated effects of bumps and vibrations, allowing you to ride further, faster, and more comfortably. The Shockstop seat post is the rare product that increases comfort and performance. Riding the Shockstop seat post is truly transformative.
The bikes we ride are getting lighter and faster all the time. The same can't be said for our locks. We want to start a revolution in bike security. We've invented a radical new product. After years of research and development, we proudly present Lightlock, the world's first lightweight, flexible, super secure bike lock. Lightlock is unique. It uses innovative new materials, each designed to provide layer upon layer of security. Using our patented material, BOA Flexicore, this flexible composite strap is almost impossible to cut. This lightweight lock can withstand sustained attack. After rigorous testing, Lightlock achieves the highest security rating. Our patented inline lock has been developed with a well-known UK manufacturer and easily snaps shut without a key. Unlike D and U locks, our technology is flexible and easier to secure around fixed objects. Lightlock is easy to carry and comes with 2 wrap straps to quickly attach it to your bike.
Introducing Strøm City. An affordable and feature-packed e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only: transporting you from A to B with ease. We're the founders of Strøm Bikes, from the biking capital of the world, Denmark.
Our mission is to make inner-city commuting more sustainable and convenient.
Strøm City is your new weapon against traffic. It hides a world of power inside its sleek design, allowing you to easily conquer city streets. Arrive at your destination with peace of mind and a smile on your face. Strøm City is the most flexible transportation choice. The 6-level pedal assist lets you tailor the ride to fit your mood in any situation. Strøm City gives you the freedom to explore city life from a whole new perspective. life is a beautiful ride. Let Strøm take you on new adventures.
Blaze is a damn good LED front light, but it also projects the symbol of a bike down onto the road ahead. It tackles one of the biggest causes of cyclist fatalities, being caught in the blind spot, or vehicles turning across an unseen bike. It warns drivers in front of the cyclist of its presence and prevents them turning across its path. Imagine being a bus driver, with a bike down in a blind spot you can't see. Even lit up like a Christmas tree, the bike can be invisible. But with Blaze, you see its image on the road in front before you decide to turn.
I can see that green light first that tells me something's there. Then I see the cyclist. So that, when he's in my blind spot, will point him out 2 or 3 seconds before I actually see him. There's a good possibility 50% of saving his life.
Another common scenario sees drivers pulling out of a side junction into the path of a bike. Here the cyclist can be right up close, but overlooked due to its position. Blaze's flashing symbol ahead of the bike increases its visibility and gives it a presence away from its normal footprint. Finally, pedestrians. I've often had to jam on the brakes to avoid hitting someone who stepped out through stationary traffic. Be one of the first to get a Blaze on your bike and blaze a trail. Built in the UK and assembled by hand, with beautiful machined aluminium casings. The internals comprise leading optical engineering with rechargeable lithium battery, super bright white LEDs and a green laser module. The lens that disperses the laser's highly focused light to create an image also spreads its energy and makes it safe to human eyes. But like a laser pointer, it needs to be handled with care. It has a magnetic safety sensor, meaning it cannot be used off the bike, but the LEDs can still be used on low power as a torch. This feature also prevents it draining the batteries in your rucksack. It's durable, it's compact, and it's waterproof.